もいい、泣いてもいい、叫んでもいい。でも、全部終わるとき、また立ち向かって、前を向いて、進んでください。
Isn't love is always that easy? The credits roll without a cast, like my mind without a gas. Lately I've been thinking about rolling the dice, tripping on the sidewalk of the pavement that I'm about to cross and crumble on the driver's front seat. Day by each and every day, we pass them by like sickles in your diamond ring. While you looking posh over there, and you having me staring down on the trenches of Paris. Well, tell me how you feel. What I mean is how you really feel about the silence you gave me, a sense of uncertainty whether I should go on or just drive up into the moon. I know we are far on other half to take care of, but some things inside my other part says that I look for someone once more, and I can decide which the other bridge I should cross to. Either way, I'll tighten the rope, and I hope the ending serves to plot